Using Questrade for day trading involves leveraging its trading tools and features designed for active traders. Here's how to effectively use Questrade for day trading. Open a Questrade account. Visit the Questrade website and open a trading account. You will need to provide personal and financial information. Log into your account. Access your account using your username and password. Use Questrade's trading platform. Questrade Trading Platform. Download and install Questrade's trading platform or use the web-based version. The platform provides tools for executing trades, monitoring markets, and analyzing data. Set up your workspace. Charts. Utilize advanced charting tools with real-time data, technical indicators, and customizable layouts. Watch lists. Create watch lists to track stocks or ETFs you plan to trade. This helps you monitor potential opportunities. Execute trades. Order types. Use various order types such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders to manage your trades. Quick trading. For day trading, speed is crucial. Use features like one-click trading for faster order execution. Monitor your positions. Real-time data. Check your open positions and monitor live market data to make informed decisions. Alerts. Set up alerts for price movements or news events that could impact your trades. Analyze and adjust. Review trades. Analyze completed trades and adjust your strategies based on performance.